Welcome back to another short video where I'm going to explain Google Flow AI agent. Now, what this does, you might have seen so many shorts or videos where AI characters are there and it looks like a real thing, right? So let's see. Let's click on create Google Flow. I think with some credit we get, let me show you how many credits we get. We just have to accept it. We have to create a project, what do we say? Let's say you are creating an animation video. So there might be some characters, all right? So for that, we create a project, and inside that project, we can have different character. First, we can create a character and we can use that character into our videos. Okay, let me click on next. So it is just first time I'm logging in. So it is showing what it can do. So this is also possible. You might have seen some videos like this. Okay, let's click on get started. Now, so here you can see characters. Here you can create the characters like in your project, whatever the different characters you are going to use. So for creating characters, it use Nano Banana 2 and then it uses the characters which you have created over here in while creating the videos. And if you have created through, because there is a limitation 10-second, 8-second videos it can create. But if your video has, let's say 30-second video, so you get part videos and that you can combine over here in the scenes. So you download the created video, put it over here and you can combine them. Okay. Now let's try to ask it to create a, we are in all media, right? Let's create video of chubby elephant which is playing with a baby, right? Again, so we get very limited number of credits. So long video we cannot create. So just an example. Now, some settings we have, you know, you need a for a long video, you need it for the short. So like that you can select. Okay. Then image generation, which you can use. If you have purchased a nano banana that you can select, right? Then video generation default, what do we say? That graphics or something, right? So horizontal or vertical that you need. Different models are there. Omni Flash, video, these are the old model, right? If you need a video where the character is talking also, so this VO 3.1 is the suggested one. Okay, let's go with Omni Flash, save. Let's click on OK. It will ask our permission that how many credits are there, right? Let me show you the credits where it is. So you can see 50 Google Flow credits are there. This is refresh daily. So daily you can max create two shots with 10 second. Okay. So it is asking me 15, it will cost 15 credits. So from my 50, 15 credits will get less. So approve, then it will start the video creation. Let's wait for some time. If you think like, if you want to create a, if you want to start a YouTube video generation, right? Just like Google Flow, there are so many AI tools which will help you to create the videos and that you can directly upload it to the YouTube. From here also you can direct upload it to the YouTube. You might have seen so many channel which are creating AI videos with a proper story flow and everything, right? And that you can upload it. You have a proper YouTube channel for AI generated content also. Moving ahead, so many videos, so many YouTube videos you will be seeing trending. Everyone has an imagination. You can think of some particular story, you can take the help of AI and create a video of it, right? You can create a scene, different angles also you can suggest, and that it will create just like how an animation movie used to made, just like the same. Oh wait, the generation might violate. What is the policy? I think some policy violation is there. Let's try another. Let's create a alien video who is sitting and moving in his spaceship. Let's try another prompt. I don't know what policy we violate with this, but let's try another one. clarifying model availability. I'm going to create a video film sitting in the spaceship cockpit. Okay, approve. Let's see if it I think it should create. This might have got failed because we didn't say an animated character or something. So baby, when it comes to baby, so that might have violated the policies, but this it will create definitely. Okay, so here it is creating. Let's wait for some time. So here you can see percent, 30%, 14. So it is creating. So with the paid plan also are very costly, right? I have tried the plane with the first paid plan also, it gets you just 200 credits. Again, 200 credits is not much. Let's say you want to create a 30-second shot, it will need almost 600 or 700 credits. So the first plan, whatever they have, I think 399 or 499 something plan they have for a month, that will also won't be enough because you can only create one shot. So yeah, AI can do most of the thing, but it is not that much easy for us. It is very costly. Let's wait for some time. Yeah, it has created it. Let's play it. So if you are able to, I'm not sure if you are able to hear it. The voice is also there. See, you got a proper video. Whatever we said, we need a video where alien might be sitting in his spaceship and doing some work, right? So this you can export. You can directly download, or here, let me show you. Here you can see directly you can publish it onto the YouTube also. Okay. So just like that, let's say another video you create. Now he moves to the different chair and do something. So you got two, three videos, then you can combine it and you can create, put it in on a YouTube, or you can create a short. Got it? So many AI tools are coming. Again, it previously it was like AI versus human, but now it is AI versus AI. As big companies are coming up with the different things what other companies are not doing, right? I hope you liked the video and you got the idea of what the Google Flow AI agent can do. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.